student, I am going to explain today regarding right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule is similar to Maxwell's screw rule also. So right hand thumb rule is used to decide the direction of magnetic field produced due to the current flowing through a wire, either wire is straight or circular. Right hand thumb rule is used to decide the direction of magnetic field produced around the wire, if it is a straight line, or around the circular wire carrying current. If the coil is carrying current or a wire is carrying current, it produces magnetic field. So what will be the direction of magnetic field? That will be decided with the help of right hand thumb rule. Take your right hand like this. ऐसे करना है, right hand like this. Okay? If the wire is a straight wire like this, wire जो है straight, if the current is moving along upward direction, the magnetic field is produced around it. So it will be clockwise or it will be anti-clockwise. Let us decide using this rule. So according to this rule, if thumb is representing in the direction of current flowing through the wire, straight wire, then to make thumbs up, what is the direction of curling of fingers? Thumbs up करने के लिए ऐसे घुमाते हैं, ये देखिए, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ऐसे घुमा के thumbs up करते हैं. If thumb represents the direction of current, then the direction of curling of finger that will decide the magnetic field produced around it. Similarly, reverse is also true. If the wire is circular, so current will be circular. If the direction of curling of finger represents the direction of current flowing in the coil, then the thumb will represent the magnetic field produced by the coil carrying current. This is the right hand thumb rule. So I have made here 3 fingers. I have written here the summary. If thumb represents magnetic field, B is magnetic field, then curling of finger, direction of curling of finger will represent the direction of current. If this is the current, the thumb will represent the magnetic field. Okay? Here figure is there. Figure number 1. If this is the current, circular current, the magnetic field will be this. If the current is passing along the anti-clockwise, magnetic field will be upward, perpendicular to the plane of this coil. And if the current is reversed, the magnetic field will also get reversed. If you are taking a straight wire, the current is moving along upward direction, then the magnetic field along this wire will be circular like this, along anti-clockwise. And if the direction of current is reversed, then what will happen? The direction of magnetic field is also reversed. So I think it is now clear. It will be used in many places. Okay, thank you.